This beautiful red building is the Victorian Albert Museum. Here we have Science Museum, very popular. But we are going to the natural history because Chiara is extremely fascinated by that building, that museum. Well, we are a bit early, so now we first pass to look at the buildings from outside. We go, it's really beautiful. And then we go for lunch, and then we come back to go inside the Natural History Museum. That, reading the guide, they say that the building on its own is worth a visit. Of course, it's all Victorian age building, and all there is actually inside. What we have to see inside actually is the original Darwin book. So yeah. Well, what we just saw was not the main entrance. This is the main entrance here, and that's why indeed the guide was totally right. The building itself, it's something to visit. Look at that. That it is indeed spectacular. What a fantastic building. Whoa. That's I didn't expect. No. Unlike the one of New York, but this is far more impressive, at least from outside. We have to see from inside, but it's very promising, indeed very promising. That's the main entrance. Whoa. Can you imagine something like that for natural history? How important, I'll give you an idea of how important science was. It still is actually. Whoa. Marvelous, marvelous. We just entered the Natural History Museum of London, and look at the beauty of this building with this whale skeleton hanging. It's really, the building itself, I'm really, with the floor, the ceilings, amazing. No, but this is really shocking. What a building. Wow. It's almost like a cathedral. It's almost like a cathedral, not a museum. Wow. Wow. Look at that. So fantastic. So fantastic. Literally amazed. Dinosaurs Exhibition. So look at them, they are all hanging, skeletons hanging up there. They're coming out of eggs, like the chicken. Well, they had quite some muscles, at least in their legs. Big amount of muscles to move this beast. Little leg, huge leg. Even bigger one. E questo?
That's
So real stuff.
I like this one, but
And this
one of my favorites.
Tirano. Let's go up for a walk on the. Whoa! I see there a man, a famous one. Emperor Penguin by Captain Scott during expedition Antarctica.
I saw penguin eggs.
These are the Charles Darwin pigeons. Charles Darwin's pigeons. With them, he proved the evolution theory. Dodo skeleton. Dodo is famous because it's been extincted thanks to the human. I think it was probably the first extincted species. A real dodo skeleton. It's rare already. A view from the top. Look at that. So beautiful. So beautiful. This building. Amazing. And up there we have also something quite extraordinary. The size of a tree. So yeah, let's go and have a look. Sequoia tree. Let's go. It was a beautiful visit of an extraordinary museum. A piece of art on its own. Actually, it's worth to come to London only to see this, in my opinion, because that's really unique. Really, really unique. The marine reptile Fosa section. So this one looks pretty good. Pliosaur. That's massive, big. 180 million year old. So and this section is dedicated to a woman, Mary Anning, she was called the fossil woman. She got very much into fossils search. Wow, really a unique collection. I didn't see in any museum such a extensive collection of marine reptiles fossils.